Major accident on the Spur Tree main road, people in St. Elizabeth. Viewers and subscribers, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now. It will be greatly appreciated as usual. So people, earlier today there was a major accident on Spur Tree main road in St. Elizabeth, people. Everybody know that Spur Tree Road. Everybody know it. There was a major accident. I don't know how many times accident occur on that main road, people. I do not know how many times from me there Jamaica accidents been happening, and the accidents them that happen on that highway or that main road, people. Trucker go over cliff and car go over cliff, of them type of accident there. And this was the case today again, where a truck and a car went over in the bush. Over in the gully, people. Yes, you heard that correctly. Both a car and the truck. So people are saying the truck man was speeding down the hill and him bust the corner. As soon as him reached the corner, him lost control. A lot of people who drive trucks, and if they are not aware of that steep corner, people, yeah, them are running into difficulties. By time them ready for draw down gear and thing, it's too late. You see me, people, call them, I come down the straight road and then boom, one corner just pop up on them, and I saw most of the time the trucks them go over the hill. So people, what I gonna do, I show like the videos them that's been circulating online, and they said there was a pregnant lady that was injured. So 3 people actually was injured in this accident. So thankfully there was no loss of life. So check out the video them, people. That's all me I gonna do. Show you the clips of what actually happened today. You see me? Bless up once again. Much love from YaadAndAbroadTV. Respect. Blessings.
That's up to the right side. That's about 4 hours right side.
Go further. Let's suppose I go over this one.
Alright, look behind the car if you still on 4 times.
Mine current in line.
No current in line.
Go over back. Over the check out the code. One of them.
Who's the other one?
Oh, this one.
No, brother. One truck is over here already, go through your wire and a bus in. Yeah, okay. You wire!
You say be careful of that. I push it car over the first look.
Nobody done it this
What in there?
A nice park. nice park. Mr. Black, no road. I look like you may know where it is. I must know where it is. That have come on Facebook, I have to tap on.
Yes, a simple place. Soon come. You don't have Spur Tree. Just come on that plaza, man. You saw a black box here come, you are all over grade here, man. Yeah? Yeah, come man, I just see accident.
So I can't go over there.
No problem, man.
So who dead? Somebody dead, no? Eh? Then jump out.
So where you driving?
Almighty God. What kind of thing this man here? So a truck driver, nothing to do him. He jump out. Road clear, yo. Traffic blocking now, Spur Tree Hill. Worried and problem.
I eventually make it cheap, you drag you up there. Couldn't go for that light. Yeah, man. I drag the post and broke it. That's supposed to do it. That's what we got to do over here, so. Come on, dance, spend the one night. No, but when I look into Mr. Sheldon. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Go on, can do something.
What's up with the right side? That's about her handbag. One of our phone right side.
You go further. They're supposed to go over this one.
Alright, look behind the car if you still on phone time.
Man, current night line.
No current night.
Who are my back? Oh, we check out the code. One of them.
Who's the honest man? Oh, this man.
Well, truck slow by us already, you know, go through your wire and a bus in. Yeah, okay.
A wire!